How's it going, guys? My name is Sarah Lucas, back in for another video. Today we are going to be looking at some shark attacks. Now you guys already know my worst fear is sharks, okay? Whenever I'm in the ocean, that's what I'm thinking about. I'm looking down constantly. Is there a shark? And 90% of the time I can't even see, so you know, it's just scary. Like, I don't mess with sharks, but these people apparently do because they've encountered them. You know, probably a lot of them don't, but still, like, it's scary. So that is what we're going to be looking at today. If you could go ahead and slap a like on the video, that would be awesome. Also subscribe if you're new. If you guys want some free gift cards, make sure to go ahead and check out the top link in the description below. It'll take you guys right here to App Zone. You can go ahead and get yourself a lot of free gift cards. It's really easy. It's just the link in the description below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. It is worth your time. But without further ado, guys, let's get right into these clips. Alright, guys, so this dude is, you know, in the ocean, obviously, because that's, you know, where sharks are. He's on a boat. You know, he jumped off. I think he's, like, looking at the bottom, to, like, look at stuff, you know. Have a fun time outside of the ship. And he spots a shark over there. Now, it doesn't look that big, especially since it's far away, but he's already under there. There's no getting out now, unless he's trying to, like, approach it, which I don't know if he is or not. You never know his intentions, but it's getting really close. Whoa, that just tried to attack him. Oh, okay. Yeah, get out of the water, because that could end really badly. Just imagining, like, it would just be terrible. So I hope this guy doesn't get hurt too bad. Like, look at this right here, dude. It charged at him. Like, I'm surprised it didn't, like, bite off his arm. Let's watch it here closely to see if he hit it. I don't think he even did. He might have. It went by really quick. You can kind of see on the edge of this video. Oh, it goes right into him. Yeah, he hit him. He had to hit him right in the mouth. I saw that. If that didn't hit him in the mouth, I don't know where it hit him. Alright, so this one right here is a little bit different because this shark, I mean, it's similar to the one we watched first, but this one is quick, okay? And there's a lot of them under there. I think only one goes for the person, but that's scary because it's moving so quick. And I don't even think, okay, they have like a spear, so that's good. I thought she was just using her feet, or if that's a guy, I'm not sure. Can't really tell. I think the shark's just, yeah, there's no way he's gonna go in for another quick attack. Yeah, like those sharks compared to like a big great white, it's completely different situation. Like, there's no getting away from a great white. These ones, on the other hand, you should be fine. I mean, as long as you know what you're doing. Like, I don't know what I'm doing, so that could be really bad. I feel like there's a bunch of people in that water, like over there, but I'm not sure. A whale shark? What? Right under him? No way. Dude, that's massive. Dude, that's scary. That's really scary. I'd just be like, okay, let me get off right now. Let me get back to land. What is he doing? He's just like petting a shark. I mean, I don't know, like, I don't think whale sharks are like that aggressive with people. Yeah, they aren't. Yeah, but they like, aren't they like the bottom feeders? Kind of like they just swim really low, but on this, I guess they're not really that low. But that thing's massive. It's crazy. Look at all those little small fishes. They're digging for clout. Oh my gosh. Alright, this is crazy. The shark just rammed him in the face. Oh my gosh. And I think the sharks like ram people when they're like getting aggressive. Like that kind of thing. So that was probably the reason why. Or they just couldn't see, because I know they have like weird vision. That's scary. Like, I don't want to touch a shark. Like, ooh. Oh my god. Yeah, there's no way the shark saw him. That's funny though. I don't know if that hurt or not though. I don't think it like hurt too much, but it was definitely a surprise. So those shark encounters were scary, okay? Like, I would never want to be in a position like that. If I was, I probably would just have a heart attack. Let me know if you guys like sharks or do not, okay? Like, sometimes it prevents me just swimming super far out into the ocean because I'm just like, no, I'm not doing that. But if you guys like this video, make sure to go ahead and slap a like on it. Also subscribe if you're brand new. Free gift cards, top link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day and peace out.